Welcome students, this is quick steps to create your own G Suite account step by step. Let's see. First of all, open the Google Chrome. Right here gmail.com, gmail.com. Go to use another account. This kind of screen should be there in front of you, wherein it is written Google sign in to continue to Gmail. Here you are going to write down your age roll number, that is I am taking the example of Darshkunt 077012, shift @ RKC Rajkot .in, RKC Rajkot.in. This would be the ID and the password would be 077012 @RKC. You click on this, you can see the password how it is 077012 @RKC Rajkot.in. That is the password of the child Darshkunt, and this is ID and the password over here. Next, this kind of form will come in which you need to accept the terms and condition of the Google. So click on accept. Now you can create the new password. I would always ask you and prefer that you should write first letter, that is your initial letter of your spelling should be capital, other letters should be small, @ and numbers. You can write your birth date also, you can write 1 2 3 4 5 also, depending on your capacity you should write down. And if you are not able to remember the ID and the password, please write down with a pen or a marker in a book and stick it on your desk, so that whenever you have to join the Google Meet, you can join in with the help of this ID and the password. You will always have to join through the G Suite account only, right? So please remember this password. I cannot share the password with you. Once again, I will confirm that password. It should be the same. And change password. The moment you click on this button, you will be able to log in into your account, and this is your account, right? G Suite account it is called as. This is meant for Darsh. Here the meeting is there, so whenever you are joining the Google Meet, you can join the meeting through here, or see here Darshkunt, the ID has been created, right? Whenever you want to join the Google Meet, you can click over here, click on the Meet, right? Use the meeting code. In this meeting code, you are going to use the code which is sent to you through WhatsApp. Like for example, I have my computer link, for example I will share with you, that is AWKQRYNYPM. This you will write in continuation form. So at any point of time, whenever any subject teacher is sending you this link, all this link will have different alphabets. So according to that alphabets, you can write it over here, and then you can continue, click on continue to join the meeting, right? So this is the process to open the G Suite account, as well as after opening G Suite account, you should always click on the meeting, Google Meet, and then you can be directly directed to the teacher, the concerned teacher who is teaching you. Okay. When you click on this D, that is Darshkund, if you want to switch the account also, you can click on D. You can click on switch accounts. So these are the list of accounts. If I want to go to my own account, I will click over here. I will write the password. And click on next button. So this is called as switching off account also, which has been done. I hope it is very clear to you. Thank you. Switch account. Okay, so this is also called as switching off account. So in this session we have understood various methods to log in into the G Suite account, that is creating your G Suite account, joining the Google Meet and switching between the accounts. This is Kshitij Mehta saying thank you to all of you, and I hope from now on you will join only through the G Suite account to each and every subject which has been taught.